welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, it's going to be one on my face again. I'm going to be doing another package, but this time I have my hair tied up. Not like a really annoying person this time, fiddling with the hair, because that was really annoying me when I was editing it. So yeah, so today's video is going to be another unpackaging, like I just said, and it's going to be a squishy package by Tomtop. Tomtop, that's a fun thing to say. So yeah, Tomtop reached out and said, hey, can we send you some squishies to open up on your channel? And of course I said yes, because what mad woman wouldn't want to open squishies, because squishies are the best. So they sent me a package. It took about 2 to 3 weeks to arrive, I do believe. About, I would say more 3 weeks. It took about 3 weeks to arrive, and that was by standard shipping, everything like that. I have no idea whatsoever what's in the package, as they did say I could pick some of my own, and I said, could you choose for me instead of me choosing? Which I don't know if that was a good thing to do or a bad thing, but yeah, I kind of got them to choose for me so that it was just as much a surprise as it was for me as it is for you. So here's the package that had my address on. Here's the package. Seriously, one day I'm going to go away with my address and it's going to be all sorts of bad, but this is the package that came from Tomtop. There's no like branding or anything like that, it just came through the door like this. It's this big, and all I can feel is one big cube inside. Now, I imagine that they've kind of packaged them all together and kind of vacuum packed. That's what I've got in my mind, because, well, I don't know. I have no idea what's inside, so I want to say I couldn't say. So let's open it up. I'm also going to move this camera down a little bit, so I just feel like it's a little bit tall. Like, I've got this on top of my table over here and it's just a bit too tall. So 1 second. That seems better. If it's a bit bright today, it's because it is. It's really sunny. I've got my trusty scissors here this time, not on the floor, which is an improvement from last week. Hopefully I won't take up too much of your time, because when I was editing up last week's video, it was really, really annoying of me. Okay, this is different. So this is what was inside of this big bag. This. Now it definitely looks like something's been really compacted, so let's unpeel it. If I was sitting on the floor, this would be much easier, but still haven't sorted out a setup, so standing is the way forward for me at the moment. This is what I see. Brown. Brown. Let me just open this down here. Also, I realised that I pull absolute stupid faces all the time, but I don't feel like I'm pulling faces, so you're not going to be able to hear me. The thing is, I make so many expressions that you probably just think, what is this girl doing? That's probably what everyone thinks when they meet me in real life. Well, I have no friends. Okay, so I'm unloaded this, and yes, we have some squishies. I've just unpackaged it. This is what we have. This could be a cute thumbnail, couldn't it? Let's have me posing. Well, that didn't work. Goodness sake, Chelsey. Okay, so let's look at this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squishies this time. Last week in the Banggood packaging we had 10, so this video is definitely going to be a bit shorter, which is what we wanted. So they've all seemed to have come in like these little just sandwich bags, no proper packaging, anything like that. And this is the first squishy. So I've just decided that I'm going to do close-ups for this video, as well, as I like them and I like to watch them on other people's. So here's this one. So slow rising, so big, and just so nice. It's also so soft. Like, can you see that? It smells really good as well. Smells so good. Here's the little strawberries in there. Really, really sweet. I absolutely love this one. This is actually my first cake squishy, and I am not disappointed at all. I think it's so sweet and so cute, and yeah, just love it. It smells like vanilla. I have a tendency to sniff all squishies now, so if they're not scented, that's going to be really strange, but there's that one. So the next squishy we have is this donut. Again, it came in one of those, oh, I can see you. I can see you. It came in one of those like little sandwich bags. So here's the little donut with its little kawaii face. We love kawaii faces around here, as you all know. The squishiness of it is okay. It's not really slow rising, but it is nice and soft. It's not dense at all, like it's quite soft. And yeah, I like it. I think its colours are cute and its face is cute. Let me sniff it. Oh, it smells like chemicals. I should really stop sniffing these. Again, they don't say scented on, so I shouldn't squish them. But this is super cute. I absolutely love its little face. All of these left are so cute. Like, I'm looking at them and I don't want to show you them just yet. So let's start with another cake. We have this one. Another little cake with the strawberry on again. Here it is. Maybe it's not a cake. Maybe it's ice cream or something in a bowl with whipped cream and a strawberry on. I like to think this is a cake though, because it kind of looks like a cake. Next we have this ice creamy, cakey dessert thingy. I don't really know what it is. But the slow risingness of it again is really super good. It just squishes so well. I just love it. I love all this chocolate kind of effect. But yeah, there's that one. Next up we have this little unicorn. Can you see it? Can you not? Who's gonna know? Because nobody knows. But I know in my last video when I thought it wasn't focusing, it was. This one didn't come in. This one didn't come in a sandwich bag. It came in a little kind of clear plastic bag. Focus, focus, focus. Here's the close-up of the unicorn. This one is quite dense. I think I said that like on the main YouTubey bit, but quite dense, but really cute. Like, I've seen ones like this in Claire's, you know, Claire's accessories. I don't think it's called Claire's accessories anymore. I think it's just called Claire's, but I'm old and it's called Claire's accessories in my mind. It smells like vanilla. It might be from the other one, but it definitely smells like vanilla. Just feels so good. Anyone else just like sit there in silence and just look at this and be like, ah, just me. So next up we have a strawberry, and this one is dipped in chocolate. So I'm excited to see how this looks. So yeah, here's a close-up of that strawberry. It just squishes so nicely. Like, the slow risingness of this is so good. I know we had a strawberry in last week's squishy haul, but this one's dipped in chocolate and it is also super slow rising. So you honestly just cannot fault it. Let me give it a sniff. Oh, this one's scented. I'm not sure if it smells like strawberries. It does. I'm not very good with my berry scent, so I never know which one it smells like, but it smells like strawberries. Now I'm definitely going to leave, you know, close-up clips of these again, because you can never see my stuff and I can't see if it's in focus or not. So like I said, there was 6 and that has been 5. And are you ready for this grand reveal of the 6th squishy? Are you ready? Are you stay? Can you see me in the background of my mirror? Can you see my... You can't see my pajamas, but... So here's the little Catachino. I absolutely love how this little guy looks. I think it's so cute. Now there are so many defects on this, but it was super cheap, so it does have a little bit of paint just here, and it's nothing really to worry about, because to be honest, it's so soft and so slow rising. Like, look at that. Just look at that. Kind of wish that I had like smaller hands, like squishing like slime. But like, if I had smaller hands, I'd be able to get more indents into them. It's just so slow rising. Like, this squishy, honestly, this is one of my favourites. The feel of it is just so good. It just feels so satisfying. Also matches my top. Like, how cute is that? So cute. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I know it's a bit shorter than last week's, which is either a good thing or either a bad thing, I'm not really sure. Still kind of getting used to this weird talking to a camera situation with my face on. It's kind of a bit strange. And editing my face back, even stranger. Like, I didn't realise that I made so many weird faces and I looked so weird. So sorry to everyone who's ever met me in real life. I didn't realise that I was so weird. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. A big thank you to Tomtop for sending me a few squishies. I absolutely love them. I will leave all the links in the descriptions below for you to check out. I know they were all super cheap, so they're super affordable, and yeah, some of them real good, and I would totally recommend. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If not, it doesn't matter. I'll have a new DIY coming tomorrow which won't have my face on. If you have any requests for future videos, please leave them in the comments below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And yeah, I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye! Honestly, I just love squishies. They're all so cute.